We've got a strawberry social coming up at the West Arthur Community Center on Tuesday from 1 until 3. You can enjoy strawberry shortcake in good company for just $5. And Lakehead Aero Modelers are holding Airfest 2017 this weekend on Saturday and again on Sunday. So bring the family to the Lakehead Aero Modelers flying field on Highway 61. That's near Little Norway Road and Green for Life. From 11 a.m. till 4, they will have remote control planes, jets, drones, and helicopters, all different sizes. You can even try flying one of the planes for free. They have free gliders for the kids, competitions, concessions, and a barbecue. It's all happening Saturday and Sunday from 11 until 4.
What's Happening is brought to you by The Little Mermaid. Rediscover yourself at The Little Mermaid. It's your journey.